All right, well, now to that fire we were talking about. It appears an air conditioner and an extension cord added up to a deadly combination inside a North Side home. Investigators believe that is what caused the blaze that ended with one woman dead.
It broke out early this morning in the 100 block of Rio Vista near San Pedro and Jackson. Keller. Katrina Weber tells us why firefighters say that woman had no time to escape.
Thick smoke clouds the air outside a home in the 100 block of Rio Vista. Inside, it appears it clogged it, making it impossible for a woman who lived here to breathe.
Unfortunately, as we were inside the house fighting the fire, we did find a deceased victim.
Firefighters made the sad discovery around 4 this morning. They say smoke and flames were showing from the home when they arrived. They quickly knocked down the fire, which they say started in a back bedroom in a plug-in air conditioner.
That was connected to a very long extension cord, piled in an unsafe manner underneath a bed.
The woman was in a different part of the home. Firefighters believe she was overcome by the smoke. Firefighters found the woman not far from the front door of the home. They believe she may have been trying to escape at the time. They say the home had no smoke detectors, a warning system that could have made a difference. This is the 12th deadly fire in the city since October, and firefighters urge everyone to make it the last by doing safety checks of their home and making sure smoke detectors are working. Katrina Weber, KSAT 12 News.